Probably no wonder voice what's yeah. And don't hit the sound.
That's what the rubber bumpers are for.
I know. That looks pretty.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
It'll look a lot better this summer though.
Hopefully.
Fix it.
Where's your fuel neck? Oh, right there.
Okay.
The one where your fuel neck was.
Oh, yeah.
I see it.
I'm only taking the wheel off because it gives me
easier.
More, yeah. E-brakes on. Man, MS7 is zip, zip, zip.
Oh, I know. Once you start with that, it's hard to go back.
Yep.
So I'm not looking forward to doing that Honda.
Yeah, it's not too bad though. But yeah, it sucks going from power tools to manual tools.
Especially those lifts. Yeah, but work. I can swap those tires on that Honda in like 5 minutes.
2 people, it would take like 2 minutes.
Yeah. The longest part is going to be lifting it off the ground and putting it back.
Well, one person gets all the wheels off, the other person puts them back up.
Pretty much. Yeah, that's the odd wheel. Yeah.
It's actually gotten less choppy since I've moved it. Surprising.
Wore out the crap. Made it smoother.
Look at the wear.
That's not a good looking tire.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not putting better tires on it until I fix the.
Yeah, broken hose too.
What?
Like the evap thing.
What?
Right here.
The breather tube? Yeah.
Breather tube.
Not really too worried about it.
Evap. The evap thing, right?
Yeah.
That's always fun. Not a paid placement. Product placement. For JB Weld.
That's fucking pretty heavy for a little stick. Don't get it on your skin, it says. Oh, sorry. Hold it.
That's yummy. So where's your hole?
I'll show you. Right here. It's still covered up a little bit. Should be able to see it now. Oh, it's not as big as I said, but it's still pretty big.
Close enough.
If you look at it from this side, you can see it perfect. Like,
Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah. A little rusty underneath, but
I'd have to say that's probably the worst of it though.
yeah. Looks like you can probably. A lot of it's just surface rust though.
Yeah. I only found one spot of like real rot. It's like up in here somewhere.
Oh yeah.
And it was a pinhole. There was a pinhole there, but.
Okay, that's a little routed too. This side looks pretty bad. For the most part. The other side doesn't look bad.
I'm gonna have to do control arms, upper, lower, front, rear, ball joints.